And we are live. What's up, guys? Welcome to the E-Estate Revolution. I am your host, Vaughn Morrill, and I am going to be here every single Sunday night at this same time, right? 6 p.m. Central Time on Sundays. Come on through. Now, let me tell you something about this webinar, okay? This webinar contains, right, the latest, most pertinent, right, news and news articles and stories that's coming out with the company that we all love, eEstate, right? The company that we're all a part of. You're going to get it all in one place here, right? It's a lot to try to keep up with throughout the week, but I bring it to you all in one place. I break it down for you so it's easy to understand. And it doesn't matter if you're already a network marketer and you're already an agent with eEstate. You can get brushed up on all the latest dealings with the company, all the latest information that's coming out. Whether you're somebody who's maybe new to it, you haven't joined yet, you want to know what it's all about, right? Or somebody who's just kind of in between. You got a couple of properties that you're got small investments in, you're thinking about maybe going bigger, but you just want to know what is the latest news and what's going on with the company. And one thing that I love about the e-estate company is that there's always stuff going on, right? There's every single day, right? There are announcements. And so it gives us a lot of confidence because, hey, the company is moving forward and there is momentum, right? Which is huge. Any network marketer or any network marketing company is the successful ones build and sustain and maintain momentum, right? And that's what we're doing here at the E-Estate Revolution, right? And that's why this webinar is so key and so important, right? Whether you're watching it right now live, whether you're watching it on the YouTube replay later, doesn't matter, right? Keeping up to date, this is your one-stop shop, right? And this is where you come to, right? Nobody else is putting it together and giving it to you like I am, right here at the E-Estate Revolution. Nobody else is breaking down the news for you and giving it to you all in a way that you can understand and in a way that you can absorb, right? And we do it in less than an hour, okay? That's the E-Estate Revolution, right? That's the E-Estate Revolution. So let's go ahead and go to my first slide. I'm going to share the screen with you. This one is called Your Time Has Come, right? Join the first wave of investors and agents building real income from tokenized real estate. Register today, eestate.co. The future starts with you. Guys, the next big opportunity in the network marketing world, in the crypto world, right? In the kind of digital real estate world is here. Is already here. Real estate has always built wealth. Problem is, it was only accessible to the super wealthy. Like you had to have a million to make a million. And that was a problem a long time. And when I was coming up, there was nothing like this that's out today where you can get in for $10. Just didn't exist, right? You had to have wealth to gain wealth, but this is changing that idea. This is kind of leveling the playing field to where everybody has a chance. You just have to have belief. You have to have something that you can invest that you're not afraid to lose and that you can afford to lose. Don't put anything you can't afford to lose into anything, right? That's not how you do it, right? You do what you can and then you build up. You got a little more. Now you can do a little more, right? And rinse and repeat. Okay. Real estate has always built wealth. Now it's finally accessible to everyone through eEstate. Each property on the platform, guys, is tokenized, verified, and income producing, allowing you to earn daily profits starting from just $10. Right? Whether you're an investor who wants to grow as an agent, eEstate gives you the tools, the assets, and the systems to succeed. No promises, just real properties, real profits, and real transparency. Right? And we're going to be having a real meeting next year coming up in Miami. It's going to be awesome. I'm going to tell you about that in a minute. So open your account today and see why thousands are joining the new era of real estate investing. Okay, so that's what's going on there. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to go on over and check out our first video. And we have Carol Peterson queued up. And let's see. This is the one. Build your network, earn for life. Let's see what Carol has to say.
Want to know how to present eEstate to a potential investor? Hi, I'm Carol Peterson, Chief Agent at eEstate, and I'll show you how to do it. Start with the benefits. Income begins the next day. Profits are paid every 24 hours, Monday to Friday, after purchasing EST. This makes eState unique compared to traditional investments. Highlight security. Every EST is backed by real property, verified on the blockchain, and supported by an official investment agreement. Investors know their assets are real and protected. Stress flexibility. Earnings can be withdrawn anytime, instantly, with no limits. That level of control is rare, even in conventional markets. Emphasize peace of mind. Investors don't handle property headaches. Eli Property takes care of all maintenance and operations. Show stability and transparency. eState isn't a hype. Behind the platform are real assets and a company with a proven track record. Finally, close with a call to action. Encourage them to create an account. It's risk-free, doesn't commit them to anything, lets them explore the platform, and helps them make an informed decision about investing tokenized real estate with eState. One.
All right, there is that one. And guys, build your network, earn for life. Now, let's talk about one aspect of real estate that Carol was touching on here. Success isn't just about selling properties, right? It's about creating a long-term source of income. Now, once you reach agent level 4, you unlock lifetime passive profit commissions because now not only are you getting commissions on the people who you bring into the company, but guess what? You're getting percentage commissions on their profits. So you think about your team, right? 5 levels deep. Every day they're making profits on the stakes that they've purchased, right? The ETK, the tokenized real estate, the fractional ownership. Every day they're making profits. Once you hit agent level 4, you make a percentage of their daily profits. That means your account will never be at zero again, right? And it only grows from there, right? So not only are you getting commission on what they purchase, you're getting now commission on their actual profits, right? Profits are going to vary depending on which property they get into, but it does all convert after 18 months to 10% a year for life. And we will be getting a piece of that for all of our people 5 levels down, right? Nobody else does that. Okay, no other company that I've worked for does anything like that. And then one other thing real quick on what she was saying about the fast withdrawals. eState does have fast withdrawals. I've dealt with the stock market in my life, and you gotta buy the stock. Then if the stock goes up, you gotta put in a sell. Then you gotta wait for the sell to clear. Then you gotta wait for the platform to clear it that they can send it to your bank. They only send you a little bit up front. Then you gotta wait for the bank to clear it, and finally a friggin' week later, you finally get your profits, right? But with eState, it's fast, right? It's crypto. So, hey, crypto in, crypto out. Once the profits are in your crypto wallet, you just withdraw them, right? It comes through in like less than an hour. That's been my experience. Okay. So let's talk about the next piece of breaking news that I have for you. We have another event coming up, right? And this one is going to be once again in Raleigh. Let me pull it up here. eState Live event, October 25th, 11 a.m. in Raleigh, North Carolina. Tickets are only $10. Seats are limited. The next eState Live event is almost here, guys. Saturday, October 25th, right? They're going to be doing it again in Raleigh, North Carolina. It's going to be an agent accelerator with Anthony Deloach. He's going to be hosting it, I believe. Join us for an exclusive in-person experience where investors, agents, and real estate professionals come together, right, to explore how tokenized real estate is changing the game. Learn how to start investing from just $10, earn daily income, be part of the fastest growing movement in digital real estate. Tickets are only $10 and seats are limited. So if you want to get in, you got to go ahead and register, right? And I will go ahead and provide the link for you in the description to register for that. Okay. And that is going to be the estateliverally.eventbrite.com, right? So once this goes onto YouTube, you'll be able to go down to the description and you'll be able to get all the links. I'll put the link in for the this live event, other live events. I'm also going to put in a link to the new article that we're going to be going over. There's a lot of stuff going on, guys. There's a lot of stuff going on with eState. Let's jump into the investor article. This is a brand new article, right, that has appeared on investor.com, and we're going to go through it together. This was released from Panama City, Panama, October 15th, 2025. All right. So this is the actual article that is on the website. We're going to provide you a link to the website. Why am I not on the website right now? Because investing.com or investor.com, if you've ever gone over there, there's 1,000 bells and whistles on the site, a bunch of moving pieces. And guess what? If I went to that site right now, I would be lagging and bugging out all over the place, and it would just be all bad. So what I did was I went ahead and copied and pasted the article, and we're going to go through it like that. Okay. So that's how we do it, right? We create solutions, right? Asset tokenization is rapidly becoming the cornerstone of the new digital economy, and e-estate stands at the forefront, merging blockchain innovation with tangible real estate investments. Okay, that's important. So you got the blockchain innovation and the actual tangible real estate investments, right? I've got some of those behind me up on the wall of the ones that I'm involved in my office. From digital currencies to digital ownership, tokenization is reshaping how the world perceives ownership and value. While blockchain technology was once synonymous with cryptocurrencies, today it is transforming traditional sectors from banking to real estate. According to Boston Consulting Group, the total value of tokenized assets could exceed 16 trillion by 2030, with real estate accounting for up to 40% of that market. Experts agree tokenization makes ownership more accessible, transparent, liquid, opening the door for millions of private investors to participate in markets once reserved for institutions. So important. Opening the door for millions of private investors to participate in markets that were once reserved for institutions. Why? Because institutions have the money. Remember, I said, have a million to make a million? Institutions have that. And so the rich were able to just get richer with the riches that they already had, right? And compound it, rinse and repeat. And then the common man or woman was put in the workforce, and which is fine. It's just that as time went on, you guys know working a job, man, it's only going to get you so far, right? And prices keep increasing. It's hard to get a house. It's hard to get health care. It's hard to pay for school for your kids. I mean, it just the list goes on and on. So this levels the playing field. Blockchain turns physical assets such as real estate, contracts, or company shares into digital tokens that can be owned, traded, yield income without intermediaries, right? What is it? It's a fractional piece of ownership, right? A fractional piece of a large whole, and you get paid off of the piece that you purchased. The percentage gain, the daily percentage gain, boom, you get that off of what you put in. Many analysts call this a phenomenon the internet of ownership. If the internet democratizes access to innovation, tokenization is democratizing ownership itself. I like democracy. It's a good thing. Real estate tokenization gains momentum. Among all tokenized asset classes, investment real estate is emerging as one of the most promising. It combines the security of tangible assets with the flexibility of digital technology, making it a natural choice for modern investors. Through tokenization, residential complexes, commercial buildings, apartments, and hotels can be represented as digital shares of ownership, granting investors rights to rental income or appreciation. The model lowers entry barriers, enhances liquidity, enables borderless participation in global property markets, bringing institutional grade opportunities to retail investors worldwide. eEstate pioneering a transparent real estate ecosystem. eEstate is a global platform dedicated to real-world real estate tokenization and automated yield generation for investors. The company was founded by Brandon Stephenson and Mike Hamilton in partnership with Eli Property Group, Inc., and supported by the Association of Real Digital Realtors, or the ARDR. Okay, their shared mission is to create legally compliant, transparent ecosystem where investors can earn income from real properties through digital assets. 4 months after the launch, 4 months, right? It feels like it. I mean, and that's awesome. We're right at the beginning. Okay, and that's a great thing. So since its official launch in June 2025, eEstate has achieved remarkable traction, over 8.4 million raised in investments. Shoo! Woo, man, 8.4 million. 10 real estate assets successfully tokenized and available for participation in a community of more than 4,000 investors and 600 certified agents. We're seeing increasing interest not only from individual investors, but also from professional advisors looking for diversification tools, said Mike Hamilton, co-founder of eEstate. Our mission is to make property ownership simple, transparent, and technology driven, where every investor has full control and visibility. Expanding portfolio, right? New properties are coming soon. eEstate has confirmed that its next project, a residential property designed for short term rentals, is nearing completion for the tokenization process. And guess what? When that project drops, where are you going to hear about it? You're going to hear about it right here, right at the Sunday night eEstate Revolution webinar. The launch of investment tokens is planned for late October following legal and technical verification. Stay tuned. Once it comes out, I'm going to let you know. This addition will expand the company's growing international portfolio, offering investors another gateway into the fast developing short term rental market. The future of ownership when everything is tokenized. Okay, so this is looking into the future. Analysts predict that tokenization will become the default model for asset ownership within the next decade. Real estate, vehicles, contracts, startup shares, anything of value can be digitized, fractionalized, and distributed among investors globally. Game changer. Okay, game changer. eEstate exemplifies how this model can attract private capital while fundamentally reshaping the structure of global real estate markets, where property ownership once required millions and complex paperwork. It now takes only a digital wallet and a few clicks. eEstate Group, Inc., next generation real estate tokenization platform. Let's jump over to something that I'm very excited about, the October Agents of the Month. Hey, gotta clap it up. I'm sorry, gotta clap it up for the eEstate congratulates the Agents of the Month for the month of October. So how do you get in for an October? That means you did really good in September, right? How do you get in for November? You did really good in October. How do you get in for December? You did really good in November, right? So it's the previous month based on your numbers from the previous month. eEstate congratulates the following Agents of the Month, October 2025. Big shout out to D. Washington, Lynn Hamilton, Valerio Augusti, Sui Tongji, Reginald Brown, and Maurice Jenkins, recognizing the excellence and achievement, celebrating growth and dedication. Guys, eEstate Agents of the Month for October. eEstate continues to grow thanks to the people behind it, our agents, right? They are not just partners, but leaders shaping the future of real estate through trust, innovation, and results. Who is an eEstate agent today? It's a professional who builds a global network of investors and partners, right? So someone who's sharing the opportunity, expands access to tokenized real estate, growing the company, helps people create passive income from real estate assets, strengthens confidence in the digital economy. So in October, this October, we celebrate these agents here on the screen who have shown outstanding performance, leadership, and dedication to the eEstate mission. Guys, each of them receives an exclusive reward from the company, okay? A personalization of their personal brand, right? Empowering them to grow their influence and success even further. For details, you can contact your company manager in Telegram at E_estate_assist. That's Telegram at E_estate_assist or email info@e-estate.co. That's info@e-estate.co. The next month is already underway. Okay, new leaders, new achievements, and new opportunities to shine. Will your name be next, right? It could be. And so it's a great thing that they do. Recognition is so important for so many people. And if somebody does a great job, hey, they should be recognized, right? So shout out to these Agents of the Month for the month of October. Man, I'm excited about this one. The Miami Summit, right, is going to be taking place January 3rd. Mark it on your calendars. January 1st. Does anybody else give you this kind of news? Does anybody else bring it to you this way? I mean, no, nobody else is giving it to you like this, guys. They're just not, right? It's at the Hotel Brickell. It's January 31st, 2026. Mark it on your calendars. It's a real live Miami Summit. The future of tokenized real estate starts here. Join us. All right. Here's the address, West Miami, 485 Brickell Avenue. Has anybody ever been to Miami? I have, and Miami is another world. You should come just to experience it. Drive down the streets, drive along the beaches, check out some of the restaurants, right? I mean, it is another world. So I'm so happy to be going back there. Okay, so but it's taking place at West Miami, 485 Brickell Avenue, right? January 31st, 2026, 10 a.m. through 6 p.m. The future of real estate begins here. You're going to join the global leaders, the top agents, right? Meet the investors, right? Meet the agents, meet the people who are hosting the webinars. eState Miami Summit, a full day event dedicated to the next era of tokenized real estate. Here's what to expect: exclusive insights from eState founders and industry experts, global networking, right? With agents, investors, and partners. There are people out there who can change your life just based on meeting them and having a relationship with them. Gatekeepers. There really are, right? And how do you do it? Well, first you got to get your foot in the door. Okay, real estate case studies of tokenized properties generating real income. Vision 2026 through 2034. Building the world's leading digital real estate ecosystem. Reserve your seat now, limited availability. Click the link to learn more about the schedule and details of the event. So, hey, make sure you come back to this on the YouTube channel. I'm going to have the link there. It's another Eventbrite link, but it is e.estatemiamisummit.eventbrite.com. So that's e-estatemiamisummit.eventbrite.com. This is more than a conference. It's a movement. Okay, it's a movement. eState is just getting started, so can you be part of the future? Be part of eState, right? So I'm super excited about that. Also, new breaking news for you guys. The update is here, right? So new features, better experience. Try the new web APK version today. They have updated the site, and I'm going to go over the platform updates. Did you know they updated the site? You do now, right? eState continues to evolve. We're constantly improving the eState platform to ensure a smoother and more powerful experience for both buyers and agents worldwide. Here's what's new in the latest update, guys. The Android app, Web APK, is now available for download directly from your account. Hey, do you want the app? Go to your account. You're not going to get it at the Play Store. You're going to go to your account, your eState account, get the app there, right? Don't have an eState account? Link in the description. If somebody else invited you to this webinar, go through them. If you don't have anybody that invited you, there's a link. You can join my team in the description. Discord integration. Join the official eState server and add your Discord contact in the footer of your account. Right? So all you gamers out there, all people who like to use the Discord app for, whatever various things, I love the Discord app. I've been using it for years. You can join the eState server and add your Discord contact on the footer of your account. Agent feature. Each agent can now request a list of all client emails from the support team. So if you're one of those type of people that likes to connect with the people in your team, to work with the people in your team, you're going to be able to get an email list for everybody who's signed up under you and the people who are signed up under them, right? So that's the Big Daddy plan, right? You can contact all of them. You'll have their email, right? Mobile optimization, improved mobile interface, right? With the smartphones, added notifications, total sales volume display on the agent panel. So the account status shows now whether you're verified or not verified. You got a KYC to be a part of eState, and it now includes a verify account button. So if you do want to verify your account, boom, push the button. It'll take you through the verification process. ARDR agent certificate now includes your personal agent ID. So when you join on as an agent, you get your own ID as well as your agent certificate, which they've already been giving out. Profile photo upload limit has increased to 5 MB. Has anybody been frustrated like trying to upload your photo and it's too big, right? It won't go on your agent page, so you gotta like resize it and figure out how to do it. You don't have to worry about that anymore. They upload the increased size to 5 MB. eState continues to modernize its platform for maximum comfort, efficiency, and transparency, empowering every investor and agent to grow with confidence. Log into your account and explore the new features today. Guys, 4 months of global progress, real results, real growth, real estate. 4 months of steady global growth. That is a beautiful thing, right? I come from the crypto passive income space, right? I've done other network marketing things. I've done health and wellness. I was an insurance broker for a long time, did life insurance for a long time. Heck, I've even sold Kirby vacuum cleaners at one point in my life. So I've been marketer for a long time, sales and marketing. So uh, the fact that a crypto platform that's crypto in, crypto out, and it's a passive income, daily passive income, that it's already lasted 4 months is huge. And they're showing no signs of slowing down, no signs of stopping. So I am very encouraged, right, that this one is going to go the distance, right? And I want this one. I would love this one to go the distance. I think everybody who's part of the company would. In just 4 months, the estate has evolved from a powerful idea into a thriving international ecosystem where real estate tokenization is transformed. It's transforming how people invest, earn, and own. You got your performance report after 4 months. Let's go through some numbers, guys. Total users, 4,500 plus so far. Completed deals, 2,800 plus real estate transactions closed. Tokens purchased, 1.6 million EST, each backed by real world assets. Active agents, more than 400. Total payouts, 910,000 so far distributed to investors. Tokenized properties, 10 projects with a total issuance of over $10 million. They fully sold one property, right? And that's the Bali Villa. 75,000 EST purchased by global investors. And this is only the beginning. Step by step, eState continues to expand, bringing tokenized real estate to every corner of the world, from luxury villas and apartments to major development projects. The future of real estate is already here. Join. Either click the link of the person who sent you here or click the link in my description. It doesn't cost you anything to join the site. You can check it out, peruse it for yourself, read all about it, right? Let's hear from Carol Peterson, and then we will wrap up the meeting.
You don't have to sacrifice your time, your peace, or your family to succeed. For years, I thought success meant constant movement, endless calls, meetings, pressure. But true growth doesn't come from chaos. It comes from clarity. With eState, I found balance. I work globally, but live locally. I connect with people across the world right from my office and still have time for what really matters. No stress, no rush, just flow. A rhythm where work feels natural and progress feels effortless. eState gave me that, the structure that supports freedom, the system that gives me space to grow, and the confidence to know that my business runs even when I'm not watching the clock. The future of real estate isn't about working harder, it's about working freer. It's about building success that feels as good as it looks. eState gave me both success and freedom. And once you feel that balance, you'll never want to work any other way.
Hey, that's a great place to end it, guys. Thank you very much for coming through the webinar. I hope that you had a great time. If you got any questions, just drop me a comment. You guys all know how to get a hold of me, and we'll see you next week at 6 p.m. Central. This is the eState Revolution webinar. Take care, guys.